Hi, my name is Bashar Taqi, a senior specialist here at PowerDMARC. Today I'll be talking about the BIMI protocol and our hosted BIMI service, a solution that allows you to easily host and manage your BIMI record all through our portal. BIMI stands for Brand Indicators for Message Identification. It's a policy first introduced officially in 2021, which allows emails to have the company or organization logo attached with every email sent out. It can also verify users under your organization by adding in a verification checkmark similar to the ones you see on other popular social media platforms. As this is a newer policy, as of July 2024, only users of Google Workspace, Yahoo Mail, and Apple Mail will have the checkmark visible to them. Users of Microsoft have to wait a little bit longer as this update is still on the roadmap for the Microsoft mailing service. To get started with BIMI, there are a few prerequisites that need to be met. Firstly, your DMARC policy has to be enforced. This means that it has to be on P equals quarantine or P equals reject. You'd also require the brand logo in a tiny SVG format. And lastly, you would need a VMC certificate, which can be obtained from a certificate authority such as DigiCert, which basically allows you to have a digital trademark over your logo. Traditionally, you would publish the VMC certificate and the SVG logo onto your webpage, create a complex TXT record, which targets these logos for you to enable BIMI. However, this process can be very long and very difficult to do, and that's why we have introduced our hosted BIMI service. This allows you to actually host the logo as well as a certificate with us on the portal, and this way we can simplify and ease the implementation process by publishing one CNAME record. Once you land on our hosted BIMI page, you can see the following information. So obviously you can select the domain that you're interested in, and then you will see the DMARC enforcement policy if you have a BIMI record published already, the BIMI logo that you have, a BIMI certificate check, and if you have hosted BIMI service enabled. As mentioned, you can easily upload your BIMI logo here, and there's an image conversion tool to convert your images into SVG, linked as well. We have the VMC certificate here as optional, since getting the certificate can take quite a lengthy time. To manage this easier, we now allow for you to actually publish the CNAME record and validate the record with just the logo as well. This way, you can have the BIMI logo ready onto your emails, but there would be no verification checkmark until you have the VMC certificate available. To get started with the hosted BIMI service, firstly, you would need to publish the BIMI record here. So you can just copy the host and the value and paste them onto your DNS. So we'll go ahead and do that now. On our DNS, we would need to publish a CNAME record where the host is default._BIMI and the value just copied from the hosted BIMI page. Once that's done, we just disable the proxy status to enable this service to be utilized correctly, and then save the record. After that, we will wait for a few minutes and then validate the record on the portal. So let's go ahead and do that. Heading back to the screen here, we can go ahead and validate the record. And we can see that the record has successfully been published. I would like to note here that this can take up to 24 hours for the changes to be reflected on the screen. So I prepared another domain where everything is set up, so I'll go ahead and walk you through that one there. Once your record setup is complete, this is what your page would look like. So you can see the prerequisite of having DMARC ad enforcement here, and we know that it is valid. We can see that we have a valid BIMI record. We can look at the BIMI logo, which we have here, and you can see where exactly it is hosted. The BIMI certificate in this case will not be available since this is only a demo, and therefore there is no digital trademark for the logo I have provided. And you can see that the hosted BIMI service is enabled. You can take a preview of what your BIMI logo looks like, and on the right hand side here, you can actually see what that logo would look like on an email. You can see that there's no tick mark here yet, as the BIMI certificate is not yet published. Should you need to update your logo, you can update the logo here by changing the logo you have published. And if you have a logo that you would like to convert to an SVG format, you can just click this link here and it will take you to the converter tool. So what can you gain from using BIMI and the hosted BIMI service? BIMI will help you actually ensure that all the recipients of your mail can confidently say that these emails are not spoofed. By having the logo as well as a checkmark by the name of the sender, this allows the recipient to be sure that this email has been sent correctly from someone who is authorized to send an email on your domain's behalf. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I wish you a happy implementation. Thank you.